enable Google Authenticator for extra security on your BitGet account, follow these steps. Log into your BitGet account. Open the BitGet app or visit the BitGet website and log into your account using your credentials. Access security settings. On the BitGet dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Security Settings or Account Settings. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security section, look for the two-factor authentication option. Select Google Authenticator from the list of available 2FA methods. Download Google Authenticator app. If you haven't already, download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play. Scan the QR code. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap Add Account and choose Scan a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on BitGet. Enter the code. After scanning, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter the code on the BitGet Security Setup page and click Confirm. Complete setup. Once verified, Google Authenticator will be linked to your BitGet account, and you will be required to enter the code during future logins or transactions.